The ZESTRON Resin Test is a chemical quick test to indicate the local distribution of resin-based residues on PCBAs. The test kit contains a DI water bottle, gloves, a resin test indicator, and an information folder to interpret the test results. Residues on assemblies cannot be easily identified by optical inspection. The ZESTRON Resin Test can support you to identify resin or rosin residues. The first step is to apply the test solution on the assembly. Allowed to act for at least 5 minutes. If the surface of your assembly is very sensitive, shorten the exposure time to 3 minutes to avoid permanent discoloration of the surface. Rinse the solution off with DI water. Dry the PCBA with water and oil-free compressed air. The final step is to interpret the test results. Conduct an optical inspection with a microscope. On the left-hand side, no resins are present. On the right, a brown color reaction occurred indicating the presence of resin or rosin residues. These residues can be harmful if not removed. With an integrated cleaning step, all residues can be completely removed. The ZESTRON Resin Test is a quick and easy test method. It requires minimal investment. No additional floor space is needed. It allows on-site sampling inspection during production. Do you have questions about using the resin test or other analysis methods? Please contact us. ZESTRON. Reliability is our driver.